Hi everyone and welcome to the Eforia YouTube channel. Today I'm covering 10 of my favorite IKEA products at the moment. But before we get started on that, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps my small channel out a lot and it helps you to never miss another video again. Now if you're ready, let's get started. So, as I said, today I'm covering 10 of my favorite products from IKEA at the moment, and all of them are from the Stockholm Collection. The Stockholm Collection from IKEA is celebrating 40 years and therefore they have launched new items. And these items are just incredible. Here's what IKEA has to say about this collection themselves. The Stockholm Collection blends durability and craftsmanship to create beautiful and timeless furniture. These newest additions are sure to become favorite parts of your home, and maybe even cherished heirlooms in the years to come. Just those words makes me want to refurnish my entire home and only have items from the Stockholm Collection. Okay, so let's dive right into it. Here are 10 of my favorite new items from the Stockholm Collection from IKEA. The first thing I want to show you is this incredible vase. Let's just hear what IKEA says about it. Like a sculpture with a room for flowers, the stoneware's bubbles create an exciting expression where the mix of matte and glossy glaze makes the surface feel alive. A marvelous vase that catches the eye. Indeed, it is truly marvelous, and I would like to have one in each room in my home. The next item I would like to show you is this beautiful Scandinavian minimalistic sofa. Let's hear how IKEA describes this one. A sofa with generous proportions that feels inviting and embracing. The visible frame in natural wood adds a sturdy touch, while the sofa's lines offer simple elegance. Sink in and relax. Well, thank you IKEA for that encouragement. I wouldn't mind if I do actually. This sofa is just beautiful. IKEA has really pulled it off with this collection. Now we're on item number 3 for this video and we have so much more to cover. Let's talk about this beautiful serving set in walnut. I would love to have these in my salad. IKEA describes them like this. The Stockholm series makes every meal special with a personal design, timeless quality and love for details. These minimalist salad servers made out of walnut have a stylish, simple and sophisticated look. I completely agree, they are so sophisticated. And this Stockholm 2025 collection from IKEA is just so minimalist and still looks so expensive. We have now reached number 4 on the list. It's this beautiful oak veneer side table on casters. And the description on IKEA's website for this one is a tribute to modern Scandinavian design. This versatile serving trolley with storage and hidden casters has a minimalist design with a floating expression. Perfect for everything you want within easy reach. I can definitely see this one in my home as a side table. This would be so beautiful with a book and some nice decorations on it. Alright, let's move on to item number 5 on the list. It's this beautiful Tealight Holder made out of glass. This is just so elegant and beautiful. It actually reminds me a lot of a real classic from Swedish Kosta Boda, which is called Snöboll. You can see it right here. I think they resemble each other quite a bit, and I have always loved the Snöboll. And here's a fun fact. Snöboll is the Swedish word for snowball. Let's hear what IKEA has to say about these beautiful Tealight holders. A tribute to Swedish glass art. This decorative Tealight holder's shape in thick, clear glass resembles an ice cube. But when you light the candle, the flame spreads a warm and cozy feeling in the room. I can really see this Tealight holder becoming a classic. Let's talk about number 6 on the list. This beautiful oak and rattan chair. I love this one. This is just so timeless, and that's exactly a word that IKEA describes this as. Here it comes. Timeless elegance featuring a solid oak frame, genuine grain leather seat, and natural rattan backrest. combining premium materials with thoughtful design for unmatched quality and longevity. I mean, can you resist that? All of these descriptions are like poetry. Number 7 is this wonderful pine coffee table. I recently created a Japandi bed frame in pine for our guest bedroom. I'll make sure to link the video down below so you can see it. So therefore I have a little bit of an extra love for this one. This coffee table screams Japandi and Scandinavian design, and this is how Ikea describes it. A tribute to modern Scandinavian design. This coffee table has an airy, sleek look that combines nicely with the natural warmth of the solid wood. Just as great to place along a wall as next to the sofa. Well, that's like music to my ears. I hope you love it as much as I do. We have now reached number 8 on the list, and 8, as we all know, is the symbol for eternity. And I could definitely see this brown vase being an eternal item in my home. This is what Ikea's website says about it. This decorative vase, in thick brown colored glass, is created by a skilled glassblower. A work of art with an organic shape that adorns its place wherever you choose to put it, with or without flowers. This is the second vase on the list, and I love this one as much as the first one. Please let me know in the comments below which vase you prefer. Number 9. This armchair with teddy-like fabric. I can see this armchair having its place in both the bedroom and the living room, and so many other places you can think of. Let's hear what Ikea says about it. A tribute to modern Scandinavian design. This armchair has a stylish expression that is also generous. Legs in solid oak, soft enveloping shapes, and teddy-like upholstery make it feel warm and cozy. A lot of hard words in that one. Anyhow, a shout out to this cozy armchair. We have now reached number 10. This is the final item on the list, and of course I saved the best for last. Have you ever seen such a beautiful cabinet with sliding doors? This cabinet is made out of pine and rattan. I really hope you love this as much as I do. The Stockholm Collection from Ikea 2025 has really pulled it off. Here is what Ikea says about this beautiful cabinet. A stylish tribute to Scandinavian design, Stockholm 2025 Rattan Cabinet has a beautiful finish that brings a natural beauty to any space, and the brass handles add that extra touch of elegance. I couldn't agree more with you. This cabinet is designed at its very best. Thank you Ikea for creating these beautiful items that made me want to buy the entire collection. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you think this video was informative, please leave a comment below and let me know if you would like me to create more videos like this in the future. This video was so much fun to create, and I hope you liked watching it. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.